Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a cute Candyland portrait using ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu and then go to image like this, and then next just scroll down and then over style sections, this one just choose Candyland, this one, and then next just choose your photo that you want to transform, for example like this, and then just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, ChatGPT will automatically transform your photo into a colorful candy land like this, with a sweet and dreamy look like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. Super easy, fast, and fun to try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.